Now, of course, the whole kit and caboodle has to do with, do you have the right cartridge for here? There's so many different kinds of cartridges, and you go to the hardware store and you think, oh, one cartridge, hey, how many different faucets could there be? Well, this happens to be an American Standard faucet, and I happen to know for a fact that this is the part that I need. You could take yours out, take it to a wholesale plumbing outlet, ask them if they've seen that. They may have to go through some catalogs. You may have to take a picture of your faucet. And if you don't know if that's American Standard or whatever, usually if you look at the pop-up valve, there will be a name on the pop-up. Boom, American Standard. Now when you change out a faucet, usually this faucet assembly comes with the drain assembly. Okay, so that says American Standard. 99 out of 100 times that will be an American Standard, unless you replaced that once upon a time and did not replace this drain line or the pop-up valve. Okay, so there's another trick to knowing what kind of brand that is. Okay, so let's try to get this. Let's see if I can, jeez, if I can loosen that a little bit. Put my little screwdriver in there, that's not going to work. See, that's the first trick, getting this off. Getting this off. It's got to come up, and it will. It will. You just have to keep working at it. Put that under there. See, I've got something under that side now. Now maybe I can grab this side and get this one. There. I think I've got it. There. Wow. See there? Got it. There's that. And generally, I can get the set screw out, and it's over on this side. Should be. And I've always had them come out. I always keep thinking maybe I'm not going to get a set screw out one of these times. But they always seem to come out. Okay, where is it? Oh, it's on this side. Okay, it's over here, right here. You may have to mess with it, and sure enough, there it is. This set screw. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and take it out all the way. See it? There it is. So you want to make sure, you want to be careful with that. You can pull your pop-up in case your screw drops down in there. Now this part of the handle, only from here up, has to come off. That's the part that's given me fits before. Now, I haven't worked on this one yet, ever. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so sweet. So sweet. There's splines. There's splines in there. And sometimes that does not come out. That one was a nice, easy one. Okay, so now there's a screw here. I have to undo this screw. And that could be tricky too. Wish I had a bigger screwdriver. Come on, baby. Come on. Feels like I'm turning the bit underneath. I'm going to get a pair of pliers and see if I can't get that screw off of there. Let's get you in there a little closer. See that screw? That's the screw I'm trying to get out of there. Because that holds this body on there. Gotta get that off. Gotta get it off. A lot easier with two people with this, because if that starts twisting underneath the sink, I'm gonna have to hang on to that somehow, reach up here somehow. We'll see, we'll see. That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.